Hello to everyone. First of all, welcome to our channel Mursha Studio. In today's video, we will talk about upcoming episode of drama serial Persian. In the next episode, you will see. I wish there was formula I could, but not. You are the struggling like you are not a completely disappointed. In lock, you are and not the completely disappointed and getting better. Okay, like a bottle and even throw you now and I romantic and you keep it in there and like something found and save you have the seller that right. Just I understand well he what does he mean and he is not selling about or before I called you at talk to him and again but there's nothing called and but you give him and money and wanted to rather. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and bell icon press. Financial issues lack of the problem I called you have telling about of them.